All right, this is part 2 of volume of a cone, and this is where we're going to talk about application. And so we're still going to use this formula, V equals 1/3 pi r squared h, or written another way, volume equals pi r squared h divided by 3. So it says you must answer a trivia question before the sand in the timer falls to the bottom. The sand falls at a rate of 50 cubic millimeters per second. How much time do you have to answer your question? So first we have to find the volume of the sand and then use this to find out how much time it would take. So formula, volume equals 1/3 pi r squared h. And in this case, when we look at this right up here, I think that's useless information. They're trying to trick us. Because the sand is down here, and it says the radius of the sand is 10 millimeters, and the height of the sand is 24. So we're going to say 3.14 times 10 squared times 24, all divided by 3. So the volume of the sand can be found using your calculator, 3.14 times 10 squared times 24 divided by 3. The volume is 2,512 millimeters cubed. So now if every second we have 50 millimeters falling, how many seconds would we get? We're going to have to divide this by our 50, and we would find that the time is 50.24 seconds. So that's how much time you have to answer your question, a little less than a minute. All right, here are 2 that you can try. The first one's just asking you to find out how much time you would have if it falls at 60 millimeters per second. And then the second one changes the volume of the sand. So we're going to start over with our volume formula there. Okay, so you can pause the video, try these problems, and then check your answers. For number 3, we took that 2,512 cubic millimeters and divided it by 60 this time instead of divided by 50, and you get 21.9 seconds. Now, if I had a timer that had a height of 12 millimeters and a radius of 5, how much time would we have to answer? So we're going to substitute in 3.14 times 5 squared. Make sure you notice that this was the radius. Don't mix those two up. 5 squared times 12, all divided by 3. Multiplying that out, you got 314 millimeters cubed. Then we're going to divide it by the 60 cubic millimeters per second to find out that we have 5.23 seconds.